Hi, I'm Tiffany, and this is Broke Girl Aesthetic. On this channel, I do budget-friendly DIYs, thrift flips and hauls, trashy treasures, and more. In today's video, I've created 3 different projects with items that are typically associated with the month of January. And that's what this playlist is all about, is what month is it? So stick around and see what I've come up with. This DIY is more like a refresh and a cycle, I guess. There was a candle attached to this lantern that I got from Amazon, and if you watched my video yesterday for the plaid collab, you saw that I did do part of this already. I'm going to paint it with the Waverly White chalk paint to just give it an updated look. So now that's all painted and I've got another candle in there, I'm just going to take some random greenery and some carnation heads. I'm just going to decorate the inside and kind of the outside of this. So I put a different candle in there, took the other one out. I don't know, I kind of like the other one that I'm using now better. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take my glue gun and I'm going to hot glue these different pieces of greenery around. That one actually died on me, so I'm just going to go ahead and glue them in. Taking some, I guess it's eucalyptus sprigs, and I have some like little ivy vine. You know, I don't know, just wanted to make it look a little different. It is January and carnation is the flower of this month. So I wanted to just do a little January decor, and the great thing is this can be left out for the next, you know, what, over a month, because it's red, so it'll work for Valentine's as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue working on these and gluing the little carnation heads inside. See, I'm already thinking about summer. We had a cold front move in today and now it's freezing and I want the heat. So that can sit in there nice and tight. So I'm just taking this ivy piece. I'm just going to kind of weave it through in and out. Does it go with it? Maybe not, but I don't know. I thought it looked okay. You guys let me know what you think. And just gluing another little piece there to kind of let it hang and around thereabouts. And I will go ahead and tack some of these leaves down just so it kind of stays in place where I want it to be. And I think it's pretty cute. Something that I can leave out for a while, and you know, with it being red, I mean, you really don't need to ever put it away. It's, if you like red, you could leave it out all year. So that's really nice. And then next I'm going to take this just random planter thing and some floral foam, and I'm going to make a little planter. So I'll go ahead and cut this foam up to fit inside. And I am going to add a vinyl to the front of the little planter thing just to give it some decoration. This video is part of the What Month Is It challenge, and this was created and is hosted by Tammy from Happiness Created. And there's a special guest host, and that's Kiki of Kiki DIYs. And for this month, myself and Brenda from Monner's Market are the co-hosts. And the idea of this challenge is that we do crafts that are related to the month. So whether it's using the flowers or an animal, tree, birthstone. I'm also using astrological sign. Capricorn is part of January. So that's what we're doing. And I will make sure that all of the links for the hosts and guest hosts and the playlist are in my description box below. Don't forget to go down there and check all of those out and watch the rest of the playlist. So I'm just cutting out my little vinyl with my Cricut, just using a black permanent vinyl, and found a cute little design in Cricut Design Space that I'm going to apply. It's the constellation for Capricorn. It doesn't look like the R is complete, but it is. Was kind of a pain to weed because there's teeny little things there. But anyway, looks fine, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the little planter, and then I'm going to go ahead and get it stuffed. I guess if you want to call it that. Arrange it. So here I'm just using some random boxwood greenery that I have. This is something a little different, actually. I had this put in here before, just hanging up in my room. I'm just basically replanting. Is it really planting when they're fake? Redoing it with the same boxwood sprigs or whatever, but this time I'm just going to add some carnation picks to it. And that's super easy and cute. I'd add more carnations if I had more, but that was all I had. And I could not find anything when I went out shopping. So I'm just using what I have. And that's it. Here I'm doing a custom t-shirt for my daughter. Her birthday is today, actually. We're kind of in the middle of her celebration as I'm filming, or as I'm doing the voiceover here, and I just gave her this. So what I've done was I used some heat transfer vinyl. I've got silver and I've got a teal, and I've already cut out on my Cricut the designs that I'm going to use to iron onto the shirt. And here I'm just going to go ahead and start weeding everything out to get it ready for the transfer. Alright, so I've got that weeded out, and I need to do the other color. So here are all of my layers. There's only 3, just 2 colors. So I'm going to go ahead and get these on the shirt, and I'm using a lint roller just to make sure I've got everything off of there. And then I will press the shirt part there first, and then go ahead and press on the vinyl. So I'm just quickly going to go ahead and show you. I'm pressing this on here, kind of how I have it laid out. I put the blue color down first so I could better determine where my bottom layer was going to go, and this has a really cool 3D shadowing effect, and I was very, very happy that I was able to line this up exactly the way I wanted it, and it turned out just spectacular. Let me know what you guys think. She was pretty happy to get it, and I'll show off all of the images here in just a second of all of the finished items. My painted lantern with the carnations and ivy and eucalyptus I think turned out pretty good. It's pretty. I like that one a lot. And my daughter wearing her Capricorn t-shirt, which she ended up liking quite a bit too, and so do I. Turned out actually pretty perfect. I was really happy with that. And my little planter with our constellation on it and the carnations and the boxwood. It's a little different, but I really like it. Don't forget to check out the rest of the playlist. That link and the link to all of the hosts and co-hosts will be in my description box below. Go spread that YouTube goodness. Like, comment, subscribe on anybody's channels. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right here for me, please. It'll really help my channel grow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good week. Take care, y'all. Bye.